Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well. So I've been going over in the last few videos I have done on these faux embroidery designs that are super popular right now. I'm totally addicted, love it. I'm obsessed with these designs, and these are becoming, like this one, best sellers, and these are very popular. So I've shown you how to do the faux embroidery, and I do sell my letters, and I have those linked below. But I thought today we would do something just a little bit different, and I'm going to show you how to do an object. So I'm going to head on over here to Canva, and I've already gotten most of this done, and I just need to add one more piece. There is a reason that I've got it green up here at the top and got most of it red down here at the bottom. There is a method to my madness here, so I'm just going to go ahead and add. I'm trying to keep mostly pinks, reds, that sort of thing, and I'm going to go ahead and put this over here, and this is going to be my final piece. And I'm going to go ahead and layer this, and I'm going to send this to the back because this is one of those transparent background images, so I didn't want it covering any of the other images. So now at this point I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click share, and I'm going to download this as a PNG. Now here's where the fun is going to start. We're going to head over to Adobe Firefly and put an image in, and you just put a prompt in. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in my reference image. So I'm going to go over here, and this is where we are going to put our reference image. So the image that we just created in Canva, I'm going to go over here, and it's right here. And I already have this copied and pasted, but I'm going to put my prompt in, and it's just, can you make this 3D like a quilt, but keep the design as it is and add stitching, and let's see what it comes up with. If you tell it what you're going to be using it for, it will make it right. So I'm going to go ahead and upload, and I'm going to show you how amazing this turned out and how much it looks exactly the same. So let me go ahead and go to my uploads. So just take a peek at this image, and I want to show you what Adobe Firefly ended up creating that looks exactly what I asked for. So I'm going to go ahead and go home here. I'm going to create a new design, and I'm just going to go ahead and upload it because I do have it already uploaded over here. So I'm going to click create. I'm going to click on custom size, and I'm going to go 4 by 5 inches, and there is a reason for that. I don't want this 12 by 12 because of what I'm using this for. So once this loads, let me make this just a little bit bigger so you can see. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to my uploads, and this is what it turned out to look like. I absolutely am blown away that it turned out almost exactly what I was asking for. I do need to crop this in some areas because there was a little bit too much green up at the top, so I'm going to have to crop some of this down, but I am very pleased overall. Let me just blow this up even more so you can see it. This looks like a real quilt, and I could not be more pleased. So I am going to have to crop this down though. So let me get this back down, and unfortunately I'm going to have to crop out some of the design because it's not going to work the way that I need it to if I don't. So this would be about perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download this now as well. I do need to brighten this up just a bit. So I'm going to make a strawberry. and I'm going to go to, and I'm going to create another design, and I'm going to go back to that same custom size of 4:5 ratio. So is what I'm looking for now is I'm wanting to look for a strawberry frame. So I'm just going to go over here into the elements and type the strawberry frame, and because I've already been messing around with this, it's right here. And so I'm going to use this strawberry frame right here. Okay, now is where I'm going to add the digital paper. Or trust me, it looks 3D, but it is actually digital paper. So I'm going to go over here to the uploads, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this cropped version here, although I am going to have to brighten it up just a little bit. And once it finishes uploading, we're going to put it over here. But I want to be careful, so before it just goes throwing in there, I probably should. Let me move this out of the way just for a moment while I work on this. So I'm going to go ahead and go here to edit, and I'm going to click on adjust, and I'm just going to click on brightness and make this just a bit brighter. Perfect. And I'm also going to make this just design a little bit bigger overall. Okay. Now I'm about ready for this, because it's what I want is to make sure that the green stays up here at the top, and I don't want it. You'll see what I'm talking about. So let's see. Perfect. Absolutely love it. Okay, so now I'm going to make this bigger, and I am not done here. What I want to do now is add some stitching. Now this is going to take some time for me, so I'm actually going to stop recording right now, but I am going to go over and I'm going to go to my elements, and I am going to choose just a white line, like just a white line. And I was messing around with this last night as well, so it was this one. And trust me, with this, when you get this smaller and turn it around, this is some tedious work, but it's so worth it. So I'm going to start down here, and is what I like so much is I can make my little dashes just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and duplicate and go ahead and move this over here for my next one. I'm going to start working on this and maybe try to put this a little closer to the edge, and then I'll be back when I am finished. I am now finished adding my dashes around here. They're not supposed to be perfect at all, and this is the way that I wanted them. Some of these I might just kind of clean up a little bit. This design is completed. So I'm going to go ahead and download this image. And let's put it on a mock-up and let's see what it looks like. I cannot wait to see what this is going to look like on a mock-up shirt. And the possibilities are absolutely endless with this. You can have the strawberry by itself. You can add some text. There's so many options. So now I'm going to choose my 5000 by 5000 pixels. And I'm going to find my mock-up, which technically I probably could have just pulled it up. So I'm going to go over here to my uploads, and I'm going to pick one of my mock-up t-shirts. For anyone asking, where did I get these mock-ups? I got these mock-ups. I purchased these on Etsy, gosh, about 1.5 years, 2 years ago. It's been a while. So if you are needing mock-ups for any reason, Etsy is a great place to go. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and bring in my design and upload it again now that I've got the dashes in it. So upload files, and I'm going to go over here. And I'm going to remove the background. Forgot to do that, or forgot to save it. and remove it from the background. And to me, I cannot get over how real this looks. So if we wanted to do just the strawberry on there, I mean, this to me is just absolutely amazing. I'm even gonna tilt that just a little bit to make it look better and blow this up even some more. So let me zoom in. I mean, that looks like it is real fabric. This is the whole style that's going in or going around, and I just absolutely love how this turned out. So if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.